Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna do like an unbox of the BASENOR. I don't know if I say it right, but they sent over like a 4-piece Tesla Model Y glass roof sunshade, sunroof, heat insulation roof, window, sun protections. So I don't know if you guys can see it. Focus. So we're gonna do an unbox, and I'm gonna install it, and I'm gonna see how it looks, and because right now I'm in California, so with the heat, it's right now it's getting hotter and hotter, So with this, I'm pretty sure it's gonna help, keep the heat away, and so because my car, I haven't tinted my car yet, so everything is dark, so. Right now, when with the heat, I can feel it, So hopefully this is gonna help out a lot. Okay, so stay tuned for the unbox and then for the installations.
Just do a quick unbox of the 4-piece.
This is in Chinese, so I don't know what it is. We're gonna unbox it. Oh, this is probably for the sunroof, the glass. Is it too small for the glass? The 2-piece, right? 2-piece, yeah, I think this is for the sunroof. I think for the glass. All right, I'm gonna put it on the side. And what these small pieces are for. And there's little clips, 4 of them. And there's a lot more of these clips. Okay, so we'll figure it out later on how to install it. But there's a lot. And velcro. Okay. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, this is just I think this is for the sunroof, the glass. What do you think? Yeah, I think this is the big piece, and this is the other ones. Yeah, this is the other ones. Yeah, I think this is it. Yeah. So anything else in the back? That's pretty much it. So 4-piece. Okay, so this one, I think this one, where would this go? The windshield? Oh, I think there's one of them is for the windshield, I think, and the other one is for the back window. Yeah, and this is for the sunroof. So that's what I'm thinking. And there's no instructions, so I'm just gonna have to figure out how to do it. Okay, stay tuned. I think the installation is this. This has a velcro here, so you just put it against the side of it, and make sure we just line it up, the two edges first. So maybe this one's here. We might have to pull a little bit on that side. There we go. I guess this wrinkle when it gets the heat, it's just gonna be better. Okay. Okay, and you do the same thing to the other side as well, and then we're gonna use the clip to put it on the roof. All right, so I just finished installing the front portion of it, and now I'm gonna do the back portions. It's pretty much the same. You're gonna put 2 clips on each side of it. So it's just gonna be like this. Tuck it underneath and goes up. 1 clip, and the other one. See, bottom up. It's kind of hard to do, just doing it with just one hand. So you stick it under there, and you do it to both sides, okay? And now I'm just gonna need to lift this up and tuck it into the side over there. Again, on the other side, you put like one more clip, and you're just gonna try to lift it up and just try to stick it underneath the roof right here, that right here. And then this two right here is going to be for the back end of it, which is one going to be right here and the other one's going to be over there. So pretty much all four corners, all the edges will have it clipped to hold it up and to make sure it's in place. And then the four bigger clips that I mentioned will go under here. Really nice. So we'll just lift this up, and then hopefully we'll stick this into over here, and then let it go in. Okay, I got it. And then you, on this side, you just again try to push it in and have it go into the little over there. Once it go in, and then flush out. And this one right here, we're gonna fix that afterwards. So this one right here, make it over here, a little bit over here, and there. Oh yeah, let's push it back. We can now push it back. Same thing with this one, another one. Okay, now we just push this back a little bit so it fit all the way in. Yeah, really nice. Nice. Clip there. There, all covered up. All there. There. So that's pretty much how you do it. And there's gonna be four big pieces. Rồi, mình bự đi này đâu. Right, do it easy. Just in the middle here, because there's a lot of gap. You know, there's not a lot of tension. So you just do it like this, and you stick it like this, and push it all the way in the middle. And this is gonna hold both of them. See, once you get to the edges, it's really tight. Okay, and it's gonna hold that. So you're gonna do the same thing for this one right here. And you're gonna go all the way over here. Maybe this one I just go backward like this. So that way the tension go the other way. There we go. There we go. There we go. All the way there. Yeah, so pretty much it. So another one here. So this one you don't even need this, but you know what? As long the better. There we go. Then it holds it. Pretty much it. That's complete. Everything. Just, and at the end, just make sure all the gap here, you push it where it's flush, so that way you don't see any more lights coming through. Everything's covered up. Nice. Okay, so put it all the way to the edge. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna move, guys. So looks pretty good. If you need to, you push this a little bit up to the further to the front, and then it's tight. Everything's tight, and the edges here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty good. Okay, so this is pretty much the complete install. You can see, pretty nice. All right, so that's it. Nice. All right, guys, so the installation is complete. In the package there's 4 large clips, and I just put it one right there, one right there, one right there, and the other one to the edge. And the 12 smaller ones, I just put because they separate this into 2 pieces, so the front end and the back end. So the small clip, I put one right here, and 2 on the back, and 1 over here and 1 over there. So one piece takes 6 pieces, small pieces, and that's how it turned out. So you put the side on top of it, and this is the bottom piece, you know, I don't know. What do you guys think? So now I can't wait for the sun to come, right? So it's pretty easy to install, but I would prefer some kind of instruction with this, but there's no instruction. But you know, if anybody can figure it out, if I can figure it out, anybody can figure it out. It's not that hard. It's not rocket science, as you can see on the front end. There you go. And it fits pretty well. So I don't know if it's gonna move around when I drive, or what the speed is, but so far it looks pretty clean, pretty nice, you know. This gonna blocks away the heat. Instead of spending what, like $500-600 on to tint your roof, you know, maybe this is a better alternative, cost savings. And until you save enough money, you can go with the tint or not. All right, so that's pretty much it for the a little unboxing installations. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go